Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable auto dive detection on Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. First of all, we're gonna have to open the Galaxy Wearable application on the smartphone we have our watch connected to. Then we're gonna have to open the Settings tab and scroll down to Advanced Features. Open Advanced Features. Find Auto Launch and Dive right here and change the off to depth, and then select the depth, so we can either use near surface or 1 meter. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.